In this video, I will show you how to add custom watermark in Microsoft Excel. So insert and select text box and draw your text. Now write any watermark. Okay, now change the size from here and in the shape format select shape fill, no fill, and shape outline select no outline, and you can change color for font color. Also you can change color from home, any color, like this color, and rotate like this. Thanks for watching.